A Supreme Court decision on Obamacare is likely to be released on or before the 25th of June. The entire law could be struck down. It could be upheld, or the court could strike down portions of it. Regardless, a fight is ahead.
I think there's going to be both political action and possibly litigation on this issue going forward, especially if part of the law survives. Even if part of the law survives, this doesn't do away with all challenges to it, because all possible challenges are not being heard right now.
This is important subject matter, so expect a lot of legal jousting.
We're dealing with some big issues right here, primarily the constitutionality of the individual mandate and some other issues related to Medicare as it applies to the states. But some of the peripheral issues, and especially on some of the regulatory fronts, there are going to be a lot of issues there that, if part of the law survives, will continue to be litigated probably for at least another decade.
Also remember, Obamacare is bigger than just a law that was passed. Other rules sprout out of it.
You have hundreds and hundreds of pages of the law itself, the statute. That's just the tip of the iceberg. The regulations that the Department of Health and Human Services, the Labor Department, the IRS, the Treasury Department, and others are writing to implement this law greatly eclipse that page count there.
And if Obamacare is thrown out altogether, a replacement health care bill will likely follow soon.
There will be an instant push to reenact some of the quote-unquote popular parts of the law, such as not allowing insurance companies to deny coverage on the basis of pre-existing conditions. The Democrats really like this provision of the law. Even if the whole thing is struck down, they will probably try to reintroduce this part of the law.
Reporting from Washington, Frank McCaffrey.